Today we'll show you how to install the Simply Carbon Fiber Screen Protector for the Apple Watch. In the box, you'll find a microfiber cleaning cloth, cleaning wipes, a dust absorber, a squeegee, and the Simply Carbon Fiber Screen Protector. Use the microfiber cleaning cloth to remove any dust or smudges from your Apple Watch screen. Use the dust absorber to pick up any remaining debris that may have settled on the screen. First, remove the number 1 label. Then, apply the screen protector, moving slowly to ensure proper alignment to the screen. Use the microfiber cleaning cloth to help push out any bubbles under the screen protector. Using your finger, press along the edges to firmly attach the screen protector. Next, remove the number 2 label. Clean your Apple Watch screen using the cleaning wipes to remove any smudges and oils. Now you have smooth and clear protection that lets you use your watch without fear of chips or cracks.